super damage.
I've
never gotten any limbs yet. Like everybody keeps getting all the gold.
I have gold damage too. That makes sense. I'm playing Diva.
Yeah, just yes. I'd play points.
Probably the most DPS tank.
Just want to be on point.
Yeah. Just wrap back on point and just keep falling back because. Yeah.
They're coming down middle. They're going left. They're going left. I don't even know what they're doing.
Tracer went right. Tracer went right.
Tracer on the right.
Stop them right here.
Or Reaper. Focus Reaper if you can.
Somebody's on it, guys.
Reaper on point. I can't take him on by myself. Not by myself.
So Reaper, going for the health kit over here. I'm with you.
It's alright. We're gonna raid him here.
Nice.
Want to reset?
Yeah. Well, just reset back. Are they not resetting? There you go.
We can get a couple pokes in. I don't mind a poke. I don't think they're gonna get past this statue. I'm with you, Zari. How did they? Wait, what the fuck just happened? How did I hit nobody with that? Reaper on our left.
Go away.
Tracer left. Yep. Going for a skip. Oh, she got away. All right.
Let's get you healed up.
You got a Farah?
Why is that everybody's go-to for as soon as we get goats? Everybody wants to go to Farah. Coming back. Tracer behind. Wasted 2 ults, 3 ults.
Fires. I'm down.
4 ults.
Down to 2 healers.
I get back quick. I'm gonna be back on point in like 7 seconds.
Oh, this is my jam.
2 seconds.
Been waiting to get that Tracer for ages.
This is gonna make you
Straight
feel
Yeah,
better.
Come on, boys!
He's not
Zero
playing,
losses.
He's not playing around her team enough.
It's because she's too weak.
Woo! Let's go.
You guys are bullies.
Tracer behind
That's
the
why
left.
people don't like playing Reinhardt anymore, because you guys are assholes. Tracer skipping around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, I feel bad for their Reinhardt. I don't feel bad for me. This Ryan is never getting a fucking hit. Oh. Trace on the left on health kit.
I'm not dead, I can't get her. I'm
I'm alive
deaths
still.
now.
So's their Ryan. Tracer's half.
30 seconds. Just run away.
Yeah,
Point.
full reset on the point fight. Coming back in 7 seconds. Ryan's down. Moira dead. Tracer's over here. Tracer no recall. Good shit, Brig.
I can just ignore Farah because she can't do anything.
Nobody lives.
She can land or she can lose.
Oh my god.
Beautiful, guys.
Only pros are on fire.
I have 0 deaths. I never died the entire game.
I had 2 deaths. Once on defense, once on attack.